Hello kids, greetings from Little Stepping Stones School. I'm Meenakshi ma'am. Now we are going to learn the sound of alphabet Q. The sound of alphabet Q. The sound of Q is Quack. The sound of Q is Quack. To remember the sound of Quack, shall we sing the song? Yes. The ducks in the pond, quack, quack, quack. The ducks in the pond, quack, 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 all around the pond. And some words that starts with quack sound are queen, quilt. The next letter is R. The next letter is R. The sound of R is R. The sound of R is R. To remember the sound of R, shall we sing the song? Yes. See my puppy rip the rag. R. R. See my puppy rip the rag. R. R. When he pulls so hard. And some words that starts with R sound are rainbow, rabbit. The next letter is S. The next letter is S. The sound of S is S. The sound of S is S. To remember the sound of S, shall we sing the song? Yes. The snake is in the grass. S. The snake is in the grass. S. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. And some words that starts with S sound are sun, snake. The next letter is T. The next letter is T. The sound of T is T. The sound of T is T. To remember the sound of T, shall we sing the song? Yes. When I watch the tennis game, ta 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 ta. When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. And some words that starts with T sound are tennis, table. The next letter is U. The next letter is U. The sound of U is A. The sound of U is A. To remember the sound of A, shall we sing the song? Yes. Up go umbrellas, Up goes umbrella, When it starts to rain. And some words that starts with A sound are umbrella, on. Thank you.